In this video, I will compare Beehiiv versus MailerLite and tell you which of these email marketing tools may be best for you and your business. So I'll go over what exactly they do, who they are for, and ultimately which one I would pick. So first, let's quickly go over MailerLite. You can see it does quite a few things, mainly email marketing, but you can also set up automations, create websites, and more. So you can see some of that here. So create a blog, a newsletter editor, then you have your landing pages, sign up forms, iPad subscribe app, email verifier. Then you can also sell products. So you can do digital products, e-commerce, or paid newsletter subscriptions. Now in this video, I'll mainly focus on the newsletter aspect since that's what Beehiiv does. So you can see right here, it's the #1 email platform for creators with 5 stars out of 5 with nearly 20,000 reviews. So you can see on the platform what it does. You have your newsletters, then a web builder, and an ad network. So it will connect premium publishers with high quality advertisers. On top of that, you can also do paid subscriptions, boosts, and direct sponsorships for monetization. Of course, you can also make your newsletter paid. Then you have Beehiiv AI, automation, polls, customization, a referral program, A/B testing, and more. So the main difference between these tools is that Beehiiv is really just focused on the newsletters for creators. Now it does do some additional things such as the web builder, but MailerLite is more of a general tool for regular businesses and not necessarily for creators. So now let's go and take a look at their pricing, and then I'll go over which one I would pick depending on what you need. Now with MailerLite, you have marketing and transactional pricing. Now in this video, I'll go over the marketing pricing since that's what you want to use for the newsletter. So it starts with a free plan, which is for up to 1,000 subscribers. And you can try premium features for 30 days. Here you can send 12,000 monthly emails. You have your email automation builder, comparative reporting, 10 landing pages, websites, and more. Then if you want to sell digital products, you will need to get the growing business plan, which is $10 a month for up to 500 subscribers. Then the advanced plan at $20 a month for 500 subscribers gets you smart sending, an AI writing assistant, and some more advanced features. And then enterprise is for very large businesses. Now let's say you have 10,000 subscribers, then you can see that the growing business plan, which is the one that most people will probably want, is $73 a month. Comparing this to Beehiiv's pricing, Beehiiv also has a free plan available, and here let's also set it to 10,000 subscribers. So then you have the scale plan, which will be $87 per month. The free plan is for up to 2,500 subscribers. But in the scale plan, which is the one that I would recommend, you get their AI, automations, you get paid subscriptions, access to the ad network, boost network, you get a referral program, and more. Then the max plan is the best value in their opinion, where you get priority live support, you can remove Beehiiv branding, etc. Now who should pick Beehiiv and who should pick MailerLite? Now first of all, whichever one you decide to try, I'll leave links to both of them down in the description. Through both links you can get a 30-day free trial, and with Beehiiv you'll also be able to get 20% off if you sign up through my link, and then also enter this code right here at checkout. So who should pick Beehiiv and who should pick MailerLite? In my opinion, Beehiiv is best for those who want to create a newsletter, whether it's free or paid, and whether you are already a creator or not yet. If you want to create a newsletter, in my opinion, Beehiiv is the place to be. It's used by a bunch of large newsletters. You can see some of the businesses right here that use it. And in my opinion, it's just the best newsletter platform out there. And for newsletters, I'd go with Beehiiv. Now, if you want to do regular email marketing for your business, then I would go with MailerLite. So for example, stuff like this, where you can set up an automation, for example, the anniversary of a date in field birthday, grab your birthday discount. Emails like that I would do through MailerLite, but if you again want to create a newsletter, I would go with Beehiiv. So that concludes this comparison of Beehiiv versus MailerLite. Again, you can claim 30-day free trials to both through the links in the description, and for Beehiiv you can also get 20% off by entering this code at checkout. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.